Now in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to create our UI so that we can see the live tracking, right? So what we're going to do, in the resources folder, I'm going to create these folders. So let's come here, inside resources, static. We already have static. Let me create this file, HTML. And then we're gonna create this JS directory and then CS. So we have this package JS, and then we're gonna create the directory CSS. Cool. And all our resources, UI resources, would be served from this resources, then static, right? Here we have this HTML code, and then we're gonna have this localhost 8080 tracking HTML. Cool. Now let's see the HTML. So HTML, this does not have anything, just we need to replace the Google key API here. So let me copy and paste it. Not like this. Just let me copy entire HTML. Yeah, it is successfully enabled. Here we need to put the Google key API, right? So this is gonna be our Google key API for now. Google Maps API key, and this tracking.js file need to be included, right? So let's see what tracking.js. Basically we are going to find here, find vehicle location, which is going to hit our backend API. Here you can see it is going to fetch track/1. So here I will update, it is not track/1, it should be vehicle ID, because in the backend, if you see in the controller, what we have our tracking controller. The API is this one, /vehicle ID, right? And this is history which we had created, vehicle history, which will get the history of last 100 locations, right? And it is going to order by descending timestamp, and it will pick the 100 values, and then it is going to create the path which would be visible on the Google Maps API. Yeah. So let's copy this and paste this here. Now in the JS, new file tracking.js. Cool. Now we have this file, right? And we need to run our SpringBoot application, right? So for CSS right now we do not see anything. CSS won't be much because the entire Google map would be visible there, right? So let me see if we have any CSS embedded. Yeah, this is the style one. We can separate it out from here, but for now I'm not going to do that. I will just let that simple. So now our final architecture is GPS simulator, then dash, then Kafka, then DPU. DPU is going to have some REST APIs /track, and UI is going to have tracking.html, and all the data are going and fetch from MongoDB, right? Cool, 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 guys. So this was I wanted to show you for this map. Alright, in the next video we are going to see actually working.